More than 30 years ago, with a mission to simplify everyday lives for small and medium business owners across the world, Tally was born. A hub of innovation to deliver cutting-edge technology for business growth, built with a single-minded focus of delivering the best experience for you, because your life, your challenges, your aspirations inspire us. In the course of the last 3 decades, our deep-rooted purpose to delight has translated to delivering the best in speed, flexibility, reliability, and simplicity, helping you become efficient and allowing you to focus on growth. Through the tectonic shifts that business and technology have witnessed, we have stood strong as a trusted partner, finding newer and better ways to empower you with technology made for you. Today, we stand on the precipice of yet another disruption that would transform business operations, bringing extraordinary efficiency and flexibility to the fore. Tally ERP9, that ruled the roost for years, makes way for its new and improved successor as simple gets even more simpler and the joy of usage goes up several notches. Presenting Tally Prime, make everyday simple.
Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us today. It is a special day for us here at Tally, and we are delighted to be able to share this with you. For over 3 decades, we have loved innovating and creating simple and powerful solutions that millions of business owners, professionals, and accountants have used to transform how they run their businesses. With our first release over 30 years ago, we introduced the concept of codeless accounting. We helped small businesses adopt LAN with our revolutionary multi-user in the 3rd version. We introduced an extremely flexible inventory management system with Tally 5.4. We gave a new meaning to multi-location business systems with Tally 6.3. Helped India move to VAT with Tally 7.2. And more recently, we are running the current Tally ERP9. And all of this because of the love, care, and support you have given us. No amount of thanks can ever express our deep gratitude to you. Over the last few months, we have been working hard to create the foundation of our future. And today, we're excited to share that with you. The world has changed. And we believe over the next few years, it'll change even more. For this new world, we need new experiences. Simpler, yet more powerful tools to help us run our businesses. And to help you with this, it gives me great pride to introduce the very first release of our new product, Tally Prime. With Tally Prime, we are laying a foundation for the future. You will experience a new look and feel, bringing in greater simplicity and consistency, so learning it is even easier. Greater flexibility to handle even more business situations that you face on a day-to-day basis. And greater power with new experiences and new insights. When you see it, you will feel something new, yet familiar. Without any further delay, I would like to call Abhishek Dalmia to take us through Tally Prime.
Thank you, Tejas, and hello everyone. I am Abhishek Dalmia, Head of Product Management at Tally. It's my honor and privilege to show you our latest product, Tally Prime. I'm very proud of what we have built and excited to show you how it can help you. So let's dive right in. Tally Prime greets you with a fresh look and feel in the product that we all know and love. We have refreshed the color palette, made the fonts more readable, and created many new experiences that make Tally Prime even simpler to learn and use. We have also enhanced the flexibility to manage all your day-to-day situations which you might face and added more power to our insightful reporting. We will walk you through all of this now. What you see is the new table experience. You will see this table at multiple places in the product. It starts with a search box where you can type what you are looking for in the table. followed by options, which will help you take necessary actions based on the context you are in. Creating a company has been made even simpler and more intuitive than before. Simply choose Create Company, fill your details, and you are taken to the features section for this company before you get started. This will help you set up the product as you want. Or you may want to select an existing company. Simply type the name of the company or navigate through the folders to find the company you want to open. Tally Prime even tells you whether your data needs to be migrated or not. After you have created your company or selected an existing company, you are welcomed to the new gateway of Tally. The application has three parts: the top bar, the right bar, and the primary work area. The new top bar in Tally Prime is designed to help you manage your work easily. It also helps you navigate to anywhere in the product without losing your context. The beauty of the top bar is that it is universal and will be consistently available to you. We have carefully designed this so that you can take actions such as print, export, help, and so on at any time easily. By doing this, we want to ensure that you are enhancing your productivity without worrying about switching the context in your day-to-day work. We will see more benefits of the top bar as we keep exploring Tally Prime. While the top bar is universal, the menu bar on the right side of the application screen, the right bar, will give you a variety of options related to the context you are working in. This means you will see its buttons changing depending on whether you are in the gateway of Tally, masters, transactions, or reports. Even then, there is a consistent pattern which can be seen across different sets of the right button bars to make it simple and intuitive for you to operate. The first set helps you change the context of period and company. The second set allows you to navigate to other masters, voucher types, or take quick actions in the reports. The third set allows you to add occasional data to your vouchers or change the view of your reports. The fourth set helps you change the state of your vouchers or compare data in the reports. The fifth and the final set lets you modify your configurations or filter data. The redesigned right bar does even more. The arrow on the right side can be clicked to show you more options. You can also simply toggle through these options by pressing Alt for single underline shortcuts or Control for double underline shortcuts to see what else Tally Prime can do for you. With the new and more consistent right bar, learning the product and discovering the power has become a lot easier. Your primary work area starts with the gateway of Tally, which has been reorganized into 4 sections: masters, transactions, utilities, and reports. Masters help you create, organize, and manage your masters the way you believe is best for your business, regardless of whether you are using the product only for accounting or for its entire set of features. Transactions will help you record all your data with much more simplicity than ever before. Utilities cover our banking capabilities. And finally, our powerful reporting engine goes even further to give you the flexibility of viewing your data in a variety of layout options. This will help you gain maximum insights about your business. In Tally Prime, the master management experience has been made simpler and more powerful. It will give you greater visibility and control over how you organize your data to best suit your business needs. Let us start with the chart of accounts. As you can see, we are back to a familiar table, different from before, but more relevant for this context. For a new company, we start with a default grouping that you can modify at any time. From here, let us create our first list of customers or debtors. You can see how simple it is to create multiple ledgers. Let us go back and now see how the chart of accounts look. And even if you have made a mistake, for instance, grouped a supplier under debtors, reclassifying it is very simple and straightforward. You can do this for your stock items, your payroll masters, all of it in a similar manner. As your business grows, so will your expectations from Tally. Say, you may want to start tracking department-wise or location-wise costs through cost centers. In Tally Prime, you will need to select, create and type in cost center. If Tally notices that this feature has not been enabled, it will intuitively ask you to enable it and help you set it up. Or let's say, a customer address may have changed, or you may want to add an address. All you need to do is type in the ledger or item or any other master you want to alter, and the table magically finds it for you. Consistent, simple, and exactly what you would expect from the new Tally Prime. The blazing speed with which you can record data in Tally has been simplified even more. The screen you see is less cluttered and faster to operate. As you operate more complex environments, you can configure your data entry easily by enabling more features. As you may know, several voucher types are supported in Tally. Discovering and using them is now extremely simple with the Other Vouchers button. Even if you want to start using an inactive voucher type, you can easily look for it and Tally will help you activate and start using it. The need to alter vouchers is part of your day-to-day work. Your customer may have called you to improve the item description in an invoice. Simply open the invoice, press More Details, and describe the items the way you need to. Natural, intuitive, simple. Saving paper too has never been easier. Our new page optimization capability for select transactions like GST invoice in India can help you save paper, save the environment, and reduce your printing costs as well. We made our famous reporting engine even more powerful with new insights in every report. We have introduced 3 new capabilities that are consistently available across all business reports in the product. They are basis of value, change view, and exception reports. Basis of value will allow you to change parameters in your reports to provide you with different perspectives and insights into your data. For example, if you want to know the difference between the company's current assets and current liabilities, you can go to basis of value and enable working capital. Insights from reports needs new perspectives, and with change view, you can see the reports in different ways to get these new insights. For example, from a ledger voucher report, you can change the view to see the party's bill-wise details, a very powerful capability to help you analyze and act accordingly. Exceptions which may arise in your day-to-day operations could be difficult to identify. However, with the new exception report capability in Tally Prime, this has been made dramatically simpler. Say you want to check if there are any stock items with negative balance. It is possible to do this with amazing ease. And of course, our drill down, compare, and other powerful reporting capabilities remain intact to help you run your business better. And now, let us experience more benefits of the top bar as I had mentioned earlier. Interruptions in our work are inevitable. The ability to multitask in such situations is critical, and Tally Prime makes this possible. For instance, while entering a transaction, there is an urgent need to print out the daybook. With the print option in top menu, you can achieve this. Post that, you are back to where you were. Or let's say, while entering an invoice, you want to check the pending sales order for the customer and their due dates. With the new Go-To capability in the top bar, all such needs have been greatly simplified. With Go-To, you can really explore how Tally can help your business grow. With hundreds of reports to help you with insights to run your business better, discovering and navigating through them is now just a click away. The reports have been logically grouped, and if you can't find something, simply type it to open it. You can even track back to all your open reports from wherever you are in Tally, taking you right back to where you started. This powerful new Go-To capability helps your multitasking needs like no other. That's a lot, and we are still not done. Tally Prime brings with it many more new experiences. Our auto login capability allows you to operate your multiple companies and group companies much more simply. Improvements in our licensing and data management capabilities also simplify life for you, and I can go on and on. Instead, I would invite you to experience this for yourself, and for that, I will hand it back to Tejas.
Thanks, Abhishek. That was great. Even simpler, even more flexible, and even more powerful. I hope you will enjoy using this product as much as we enjoyed making it. I would also love to share a small film we made to launch Tally Prime, and I hope you enjoy it.
मिश्रा जी, अरे नए मैनेजर के बारे में सुना है?
काम अब यूं हो जाते हैं। अरे नए मैनेजर के साथ काम करना बहुत आसान है, बिल्कुल हमारे हिसाब से ही चलता है।
हाँ यार, मस्त है।
The new manager is superb, yeah. Understands exactly what we need.
ये आपने अच्छा नहीं किया सर। कलेक्शन सब मैं मैनेज करूं, गोडाउन से मैं कोऑर्डिनेट करूं, रिपोर्टिंग पे सब काम मैं करूं। एक हफ्ते छुट्टी पे क्या गया, आपने मुझे प्रमोशन देने की बजाय नया मैनेजर रख लिया। वाह सर, वाह वाह, मतलब वाह।
ओनर कौन है? यह है हमारा नया बिजनेस मैनेजर।
नया टैली प्राइम, जो आपके बिजनेस को समझे, संभाले और बनाए आसान हर दिन।
और सर मेरी प्रमोशन।
Today, we are proudly announcing the general availability of Tally Prime, and with it, the end of the Tally.ERP 9 series. If you are a customer of Tally and have an active Tally software subscription, Tally Prime will come to you for free. If you are a customer that doesn't yet have an active subscription, all you need to do is renew it and you will get Tally Prime for free. If you are not yet a customer and like what you see, please do reach out to your nearest partner or visit us at tallysolutions.com or call us to see how we can help you and your business. After this session, we have organized Q&A sessions on the product. Over the last couple of years, we have been doing a lot. And over the next few months, you will see a lot more from us. This release is just the first in a series of many capabilities we want to bring to you to help you run your business better. At Tally, we have been using Tally Prime for the last few days and we are loving it. We hope that you will too. Once again, click on the links to join us in the Q&A sessions. Look forward to seeing you there. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.